GWAMA is the Greater Waco Advanced Manufacturing Academy. It really began as a dream probably 10, 11, 12 years ago by community leaders who dealt primarily with manufacturing in the Waco area.
Elvis Martinez, and I'm from University High School.
Jacqueline Perez.
My name is Damian Schrader. I'm from Midway High School.
That dream was to have a facility or an entity that gave students in high school the ability to learn skill sets that would make them great employees for the industries in Waco area.
Yeah, I learned something new, and for me it's cool because I see something combining with a different kind of metal.
The first major area that industry wanted out here, and it was the first area that started at Guam, was welding. Area industries need welders.
So once you get into the shop, you just go into your booth, turn on your machine, and get it to the right temperature and the settings. Just start just sparking in the I do the circle motion in the MIG.
We have welding, we have construction science, architecture and CAD, computer-aided drafting, and then we have robotics. We are a heavily male-dominated population, but we are still working toward that 10 to 15 to 20% female population.
It's very cool that girls are teaching guys because nobody would expect it because they think guys would know more.
My classmates are very encouraging. Everybody kind of hypes each other up, and you show them your welds and they will tell you what you need to improve on. Everybody helps each other.
We have partnering districts that send their students, high school students also. We actually provide dual credit for juniors and senior students with TSTC in welding. All our students that we're preparing them for is that next step out of the high school, whether it's directly into the workforce, going to a 2-year program of technical training, or going into a 4-year college.
After high school, I want to go to TSTC to learn more about welding and get more hands-on.
The career choice that I would like to get into is pipeline welding, and this is the best intro to that career that I can possibly have.
What we have done in the last 10 years, I'm very proud of. I'm excited about what's coming up in the next 10 years. We will be there preparing our students for that future so that they are well prepared and ready to go out and provide the employment and jobs for our local industries in Texas.